Hello and welcome to Vanta's How To Tuesday series. In this video, we'll be discussing what the process looks like for a person who has just been added to your organization and how they'll be onboarded through the help of Vanta. But before we take a look at what things look like from their perspective, let's do a quick review of how we set up the onboarding process for new employees and new hires. When you start using the Vanta platform, you'll set up all of your integrations. The more that you integrate within Vanta, the more that Vanta is capable of automating. One of those integrations will be your identity provider, which will pull in all of the employees that are with your organization. From here, you'll be able to assign those employees to specific groups. You're going to create groups based off of employee functionality. For example, your employees that are full-time and work at your organization Monday through Friday might have a very different onboarding process than temporary contractors or part-time employees. Once you've established your groups, you'll then assign them checklists. The checklists will include things such as policy acceptance and security trainings. Different groups might have to follow different processes for onboarding. So you'll create the checklists as needed and assign them to the groups. Once you've assigned the checklist to groups, employees will be prompted by email to start their onboarding through Vanta. Let's take a look at what that looks like. Employees will be sent an email from Vanta prompting them to start their onboarding process. Once they click View Tasks, they'll be taken to a Vanta page. This page is going to look very different from admin access because the only thing that your employees are going to see are the checklist items that have been assigned to them. So for example, for this checklist that has been assigned to my demo account, I'm expected to accept security policies. I can click into them and read them. I have to download the Vanta agent onto my machine. I have to complete my security awareness training, and I have to complete my HIPAA security awareness training. These videos must be watched in their entirety in order for me to submit and complete this process. Once I've completed all of my tasks, that's it, I'm done. I'll only need to do this process again if we have these checklists to renew on a yearly basis. Now, from an admin perspective, we'll be able to return to the People page and see where our employees are at with their security tasks. For example, from the demo account that I was just showcasing, I have 8 days left to complete those security tasks. If at any point I'd like to remind that employee to complete this process, I can select Send Reminder and it will prompt that email again.